Rise with me above Iceland, soar over glaciers, volcanoes and rivers, land shaped by fire and ice, see a world both ancient and new. The coast meets the wild Atlantic. Prepare to be astonished. Welcome to Iceland from above. Our first destination, Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. From above, its scale is immense. A vast expanse stretching to the horizon. Crevasses form intricate patterns, revealing the glacier's pressure. The ice is a spectrum of blues, glowing from compressed snow. Dark streaks of volcanic ash are trapped between layers, telling stories of past eruptions. The glacier carves the rock beneath, shaping valleys. At its edge, icebergs calve off and fall into lagoons. Each iceberg a temporary masterpiece. Flying here, we sense ancient ice holding the climate of forgotten centuries. To soar over a glacier is to witness geological time in motion, a humbling experience. These great ice masses are changing faster than ever before. Our journey is a chance to witness their majesty before they are altered forever. The ancient ice beneath us is a reminder of the planet's enduring power and its fragility. Each flight over the glacier is a glimpse into the past and a warning for the future. This is the living heart of Iceland's frozen wilderness. The glacier's beauty is matched only by its impermanence. Let's remember what we see before it changes forever. From the silent world of ice we fly toward the thunder of water, over Iceland's countless waterfalls. Our drone approaches Gullfoss, the Golden Falls, where a massive river plunges into a deep canyon, mist rising in rainbows. Along the southern coast, waterfalls tumble from ancient cliffs. Seljalandsfoss, with its graceful plume and hidden pathway, is revealed in full context from above. We circle it, capturing its elegance and the winding river that feeds it. Skógafoss is next. A wide, powerful sheet of water, its impact creating a constant cloud of mist. From above we see its perfect rectangular shape, green cliffs and the Skóga River flowing to the Atlantic. Each waterfall has its own character. Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful by volume, and Hraunfossar, where water emerges from beneath a lava field. Flying over them, we see how they're part of a larger system, arteries carrying life-giving water from highlands to coast. These falls are places of immense beauty and relentless force, shaping the Icelandic landscape. The waterfalls are the pulse of the land, connecting glacier to ocean. Their power is both creative and destructive. From above we see the interconnectedness of water, rock, and life. Each fall is a chapter in Iceland's story. The drone's view reveals patterns invisible from the ground. Waterfalls are the island's living veins. Their beauty is matched by their power. They are the music of Iceland's wild heart, and they never stop moving. Now we turn inland, toward Iceland's fiery heart, a volcanic island astride the mid-Atlantic ridge. From above, black lava fields stretch for miles, frozen waves of eruption. We trace the flow of lava from crater to plain, seeing rough and smooth pahoho textures. Mosses and lichens begin to reclaim the land, painting black rock with green. We approach a dormant volcano, its perfect crater revealed as a circular bowl plunging into the earth. Some craters hold turquoise lakes colored by minerals leaching from volcanic rock. This landscape is in constant flux. New eruptions create new land, mountains and craters. In 2021, Fjaðrárgljúfur erupted, rivers of molten rock reshaping the Reykjanes Peninsula. Today we fly over cooled black rock, reminded that Iceland is a work in progress. The drone's perspective reveals the artistry of volcanic creation. Fire and ice shape the land together. The ground beneath us is alive, always changing. Volcanoes are both destroyers and creators. From above, we see the scars and the beauty. Iceland's story is written in fire. Our journey takes us to Iceland's dramatic coastline, where land meets the relentless North Atlantic. The coast is rugged and intricate, shaped by waves and storms. We soar over towering cliffs, home to vast colonies of seabirds, puffins, guillemots, razorbills. The west fjords reach into the sea like giant fingers, deep fjords flanked by steep mountains. Our drone reveals sheltered coves, abandoned villages and sea stacks, pillars of rock standing defiant against the waves. Natural arches and hidden sea caves show the artistry of erosion. The coastline is a place of constant battle, land forged in fire, sea patient and powerful. This meeting defines Iceland's character, an island shaped by its relationship with the ocean. The sea brought settlers, provided sustenance and sculpted the rock. Flying along the coast we witness a dynamic, ever-changing boundary. The cliffs, coves and tides write Iceland's story. The beauty here is wild and untamed. This is where Iceland's heart meets the world. We descend to one of Iceland's most iconic sites, the black sand beaches of Reynisfjara. From above, jet black sand stretches along the coast, a stark contrast to the white Atlantic waves. The sand is volcanic, ground from basalt lava over millennia. Rising from the beach are the Reynisdrangar sea stacks, jagged basalt pillars, legends turned to stone. The waves swirl around their bases with relentless force. Nearby, the basalt columns of Reynisfjall form a natural pipe organ, created as lava cooled slowly. Further east, at Diamond Beach, icebergs from Jökulsárlón Lagoon are washed ashore, glittering like diamonds on black sand. The ice is crystal clear or streaked with volcanic ash, a surreal sight against the dark beach. Flying over these beaches, we witness fire becoming rock, rock becoming sand, and ancient ice sculpted by the sea. The landscape feels both ancient and new. Sand formed over millennia, ice diamonds gone by tomorrow. This is a place of constant transformation. The black sands are a testament to Iceland's volcanic origins. The ever-changing beach is a dance between creation and decay. Here, the story of Iceland is written in every grain. The beauty is fleeting, but unforgettable. As night falls, we search for a different kind of light, the aurora borealis. A faint green glow appears, growing into a shimmering celestial ballet. From the air, we're not just watching, we're flying among the lights. Green ribbons dance above, below, and all around, twisting like ethereal smoke. Sometimes they hang like silent curtains, sometimes they race across the sky. The Icelandic landscape below is bathed in ghostly green glaciers, mountains, waterfalls illuminated by the aurora. A snow-covered crater glows, a still fjord reflects the lights, a perfect shimmering mirror. The drone's view connects heaven and earth in a way both intimate and grand. The sky seems to reach down and touch the land. Science explains the aurora, but the magic remains. To be suspended in this cosmic light is deeply moving. It connects us to the vastness of the universe. Our planet is a small part of a much larger, mysterious cosmos. This is a moment of pure wonder, a highlight of our journey through the Icelandic sky. After the cold and darkness, we seek warmth, found deep within Iceland's earth. From above, steam rises from geothermal vents, painting the ground in vibrant colors. This geothermal energy heats homes, generates electricity, and creates oases of warmth. The blue lagoon appears, a milky turquoise pool in a black lava field, its color from silica and minerals. People bathe in the warm waters, small against the vast landscape. But there are many geothermal pools, some famous, others hidden in remote valleys. Our drone discovers secret hot springs, steaming rivers, and tranquil rock pools. These are sanctuaries of peace, a gentle contrast to Iceland's raw power. The same forces that create eruptions provide this constant warmth. It's a paradox: violent creation, gentle comfort. Even in extreme environments, there are pockets of serenity. These pools are the Earth's gentle breath, a warm exhalation in a land of ice and fire. Iceland's nurturing side revealed from above. Our journey through Iceland's skies draws to a close. We've soared over glaciers, waterfalls, volcanoes, and coastlines, seeing patterns and connections invisible from the ground. The drone has given us a sense of freedom and wonder, revealing the interconnectedness of this land. Meltwater feeds waterfalls, volcanic eruptions create black sand, everything is linked. Understanding these connections deepens our respect for nature. To witness such beauty is a privilege and a responsibility. Iceland's nature is powerful but fragile. Mosses take decades to recover. Seabird colonies are sensitive to disturbance. As more people visit, we must become guardians, travel with care, leave no trace, protect this precious environment. Dream of your own journey, but also join a community that cherishes our planet. Share your stories, inspire others to explore with respect. We are all inhabitants of this extraordinary world. Our greatest joy and duty is to cherish and protect it. The aerial view is a gift. Let's honor it. Thank you for flying above Iceland with me.